Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Thomas and I am a member of the Inkston developer team. In the previous video tutorial we have created a simple WPF application with simple pneumatic actuator. We have used auto-generated user interface. In this video tutorial we are going to modify previous project by adding some attributes in the PLC project. These attributes will affect the user interface. For those who had run the application from the previous video tutorial successfully, you need just to copy and rename the whole solution folder. For those who are starting now and meet the requirements on the screen, let's proceed to www.github.com/inkston, navigate to the section Tutorials Inkston Package Vortex Essentials, select Clone or Download, and click on the copy link icon. Those who are not very familiar with Git could also download the whole folder as a zip file. Open folder C work, right-click and select Git bash here, type git clone and hold Shift plus insert, or right-click and select paste, type inkston_essentials. This will clone all tutorial folders for the Inkston Essential package. So after successful cloning, delete all folders except 201_essentials auto-generated UI. Copy folder 201_essentials auto-generated UI and rename it to 202_essentials attributes name. Open the renamed folder and start the Inkston Essentials solution. Open Package Manager console and restore packages. Just to be sure, let's also update and reinstall packages. Check if the solution platform is set to TWiNCAD real-time 64 bits and if main PLC HMI project is set as the startup project. If not, change it. Activate configuration and start the PLC. Run the Inkston builder. Start the application. You can see that the content of all buttons match the name of variable bound. To modify them, we will add the new attribute name to each displayed variable. Each name should be much more human understandable and describing the meaning of the variable in much more detail. This name will replace the previous content of the button. OK, so activate the configuration and start the PLC. This also automatically saves all changes in the PLC project. Run the Inkston builder and start the application. You can see now the same layout but with different content of each button. Texts in the attribute name could be also localizable, and we will show this feature in some next video tutorial. Moreover, it is also possible to add some tooltips for each variable. Just copy the edit text or write your own description respecting the syntax. If you want to hide some variable so that it will not be accessible from the visualization, just add the attribute hide. Activate configuration and start the PLC. Run the Inkston Builder. Run the application. You can check now tooltips popping up when the mouse cursor enters the area of each button, as well as the variable _simulated position disappeared from the view. Okay, so that was all for this video tutorial. The complete project is downloadable at www.github.com/inkston in the tutorial section. Just to be sure, here is the link. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to the next tutorials. If you have some troubles, please feel free to write an email to hello@inkston.com.